instructions were they had to get across the pool without touching the net. All they had to do was hold it feet off the ground. They get 6 or 8 guys. But they all want to be on top. Ah, you have not begun. Mark, there's no holding it. The stabilizer sits their butt here, and everyone else goes. If you want to be on it, fine. I have given my instructions.
Hey, use the big tough thingy.
Curling, you need to ask what the instructions were. They're not listening to the instructions. Good job, Josso. Good job. Nope, get in your lane.
Is it called an oars?
Yeah,
it's all oars?
you guys have to let go. Come on, Curly! Come on!
Let's bring it out. Let's see it.
And what do we do next, Chad? Anthony! $110 bucks!
Hey, let's hear it for the freshmen. They finally won something. Okay, let's keep it out of the water.
Do you have mayo there? You want to do
Oh, it's both seniors. So second place goes to seniors.
Third place goes to sophomores.
Sophomores and poor Mark has. Okay, what I want right now is I want everything taken out from these. Get in here, pull all the extra bottles out. I want all of these, all of the plastic containers. Hey, Levy. We're going to pile of them. Pile up the containers.